Today we're going to take a look at how to say something that is happening right now, in the moment. Ahora vamos a aprender algo para decir que está haciendo algo una persona en el momento, ahorita. If I'm going to say something that usually happens or something people do or an animal does, I can just use the regular present. I might need an S on the end of what it does, and I can say it like this. The dog, what does it do? Eats. What does it eat? The food. The dog eats the food. Si quiero decir lo que normalmente hace o lo que hace, el perro come la comida. But what if I want to explain that it's happening right now, in this moment, que está haciendo en el momento? I'm going to do it a bit differently. I'm going to need two verbs or two parts to help me say what it's doing. In Spanish, it's the same. Para decir lo que está haciendo en el momento, necesito dos partes del verbo. Es igual en español también. So here I say the dog is eating the food. Notice I needed a form of to be, like am, is, or are, and I needed ing. En español necesité una forma de estar, como está, estás, están. Y también necesité el sufijo ando o yendo. In English, you say ing. The dog is eating the food. El perro está comiendo la comida. How do I say that it's not? What about in this moment if it's not doing it? ¿Cómo lo digo si no está haciéndolo en el momento? Then I'm going to add my negative word. The negative word goes here in the middle, in between the two parts of the verb. La palabra negativa va en medio de los dos partes del verbo. So the dog is not eating the food. El perro no está comiendo la comida. Let's take a look at some examples. I want you to figure out what's wrong. These are common mistakes that people make with their words, and I want you to figure out what is wrong. The dog is eat the food. ¿Qué no está bien con eso? Si voy a traducirlo en español, el perro está comer la comida. I have to change it. I can't say está comer. I have to say está comiendo. So here is where I need to say the dog is eating the food. Here's another one that people often confuse. Otro que muchos tienen confusión. The dog eating the food. We're missing a word. So, for example, instead of the dog eating the food, the dog is eating the food. Está comiendo. Está comiendo. I need both parts in order for it to make sense. Do I need to do it this way all the time? No. Just if it's something that's happening right now. Eso es solamente algo para decir que está pasando ahora.